In this video, I thought I would like to brief you to this chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. So what is a linear equation? A linear equation is an equation which has a degree or a power of 1. By power, I don't mean if there is x square plus x power 1, which is basically x, that is equal to say some number y. So I am not saying that if it has a power 1, this means it's a linear equation. No. Here the thing is, the highest power here is 2, so this is not a linear equation. A linear equation is any polynomial or a equation which has a power of 1, like for example like this. So now here this power is 1 and the degree is 1, so it's called a linear polynomial or a equation. So let me give you one example. Say x plus y, say x plus y is 8. Now here x and y can have infinite solutions because it's a linear equation. Its graph is going to be one line, and that line basically goes on forever, and every point on that line is a solution of this equation. Now if we want to find one unique solution, then we have a problem. So that's why we are given a pair of linear equations. A pair of linear equations means they'll give another equation such as 2x plus y as 13. So these equations, when I have two equations, there are a few ways how I can figure out the unique numbers of these variables. So there are a few methods. I'll write it in a flow chart. There are a few methods. So there are methods. Okay, there are, first to start off, there are two methods. You can solve it say graphically. You can solve it graphically, or you can solve it algebraically. Okay, I'll write graphical and algebraic. Algebraic. Okay, under graphical there is under graphical we have consistent. Okay, we have dependent, and there is inconsistent. So if you're wondering what these are, basically consistent means when we draw the graphs of these two equations here, then if those two lines they intersect, it's called consistent. Okay, when they intersect, it's called consistent. When they are coincident, that is they are the same line, that is called dependent. And inconsistent is when they are parallel and they don't have any solution. Okay, and algebraic, there are a few in algebraic. Those are, there are three methods in algebraic as well. Those are substitution method. Okay, there is elimination method, and the last one is cross multiplication. Write it properly. Cross multiplication. So these are the methods. There are two methods, graphical and algebraic. In graphical there are three, and same with algebraic there are three. And in future videos we'll be learning these concepts in a deeper way, and in the end we'll be doing some examples to make sure we are clear with everything.